Hi there and welcome to Aimco, where we help factory workers avoid injury and work smarter by guiding them to some of the best lifting solutions. Today we're going to look at a gripping tool. This is used to pick shafts that range from 4 to 6 inches in diameter, weighing up to 150 pounds. The tool is designed with a bearing design and cam plate that allows manual rotation with 90-degree increments. First, you'll guide the fixed jaw to the part. Press the clamp button. Raise the hoist up, allowing the part to rotate within the jaws in the vertical position. Slowly lower it down to the horizontal position, allowing the part to manually rotate within the jaws. To release, pull the common trigger in and the unclamp at the same time. The handles have two positions. By pulling the release trigger on the left-hand side, you can rotate into a perpendicular position with the tool. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you need a lifting tool and don't buy it, you will ultimately pay for it and not have it. Start the process today by going to aimcomfg.com and click the Get Quote button. Thanks again.